Hi, it's Fias Taro. Hello, Aries Placement. So this is your money, career, no love. Okay? No love muna. So money, career, kung ano pa, in general, ang pwede nating makita, yun lang. Okay? Hanggat maaari, wala munang love dahil sobrang dami nating reading about love. No? O pinuputakti na kayo ng love read. No? So anyway, again, kung meron pong tanong pagdating sa private reading and sa akin pong mga charms, just message me sa akin pong FB page, okay, for more info. So, yes, let's start the reading agad-agad. So, short lang na reading. This is for the month of August. Okay. Money, career, in general, kaperahan. Tingnan natin, kuha tayo ng, I guess, 6 for Aries. Okay. Let's see. First, loan denied. Loan denied. And then we'll clarify later. Okay? So, unexpected income. Anong gusto nyo doon? Loan denied, unexpected income. Mas maganda yun, no? Yes, oh. Resign, retire. Okay. Partnership. Overtime. Huge decision. Okay. So, let's clarify. What's with this unexpected income? Hindi ko na-clarify yung loan denied because that's too specific. No? So, ano yung unexpected income? What's with that? For Aries placements, unexpected income. Okay. King of Cups in the reversed. The 7 of Wands in the reversed. Some of you, nakikita ko rito pwedeng may mababayaran sa inyo. Something na pwedeng kinuha or nawala. Babalik, parang ganyan. Okay? Kinuha man, di nyo alam, babalik sa buwan po ng August. Okay? So, yeah, yung parang feeling nyo nawala sa inyo. Pera, ganyan, babalik. Okay? So, resign, retire. Let's see. Ace of Cups. There's like something na parang an offer. Okay? So, kung mag-resign ka man, may new offer na parating or support. Okay? If mag-retire ka naman, by the month of August, may chance na meron kang gagawin something na pwedeng pagkakaabalahan mo. Okay? Or pagkakakitaan. Yeah. The Ace of Pentacles in the reverse. I think there's 2. There's 2. Okay po. So, that's good. Iba po dito magbubukas ng business. Yung mga magre-retire. May nakita ko dito pwedeng magbukas ng business. Tawag ito, magi-invest din. Okay? So, there. So, partnership. Let's see. What's with that? Partnership. This could be collaboration. Okay? Okay, this is good. Okay? Sabihin natin may mga makakagusto ng serbisyo mo, gawa mo, okay? Kung ano man ang meron pagdating sa kinabubuhay mo, may mga makakagusto. So, may chance na mag-offer sila ng partnership or pwede mag-invest. Okay? Page of Pentacles in reversed. Yung something, somebody po na pwedeng dati ay sinabi sa'yo na, or sabihin lang natin na na-delay, pwedeng by the month of August, matuloy na. Okay? And yes, sabihin natin hindi ganon magiging smooth, flowing. Okay? So, umpisa. Pero yeah, kasama naman yun. Yeah, we have 5 of Swords. Pero nandun yung 6 of Wands. That is talking about victory, success, kung ano man. Okay? So, overtime. What's with that? Overtime. Sa buwan ng August. So, normal lang naman, no? Yung energy ng overtime. Pero tingnan natin anong meron. The 3 of Swords. Be careful. Some of you, nandito yung energy ng TY. Madam, ano yung TY? Thank you. Mas maganda po, meron kayong malinaw na ipapakitang payslip. Nag-in ako, nag-out ako ng ganitong oras. Okay, mas maganda po meron kayong mga pinanghahawakan para hindi na lang, para hindi po maging TY na lang, no? Yung OT. Okay, para mabayaran. Yes, o di po ba? Diba dito, ang dami kasing ang daming responsibilidad, ang daming kailangang bayaran. So, parang, huy, pwede ba mag-overtime ako para may dagdag? Something like that. Okay? So, yeah. Huge decision. Huge decision para sa mga Aries. What's with this? Pagdating, yeah, this is like, yeah, sabihin nating pangmatagalan. May energy ng long term dito, so dapat hindi like basta-basta, no? Gagawin yung decision. Yeah, this is a huge, big decision na pwede mong gawin by the month of August. Patungkol po sa paglago, patungkol sa stability. Okay? Sa karera mo man or sa pamemera mo man. Okay? Yeah. The Lover. So, I'm hearing some of you may chance na ma-promote. Okay? Ma-promote. May chance ng offers. May chance ng mga suporta dyan. So, ano bang meron? Anong kukunin mo? Sino ang tatanggapin mo? Yung iba po dito, may chance magkaroon ng trabaho, offer ng trabaho, 2 or 3. Okay? Sa buwan po ng August. So, ikaw na lang po yung pipili. Parang ganon. Kayo na lang ang pipili. So, yeah, decision. The 2 of Swords. Okay? So, there. Okay. Hindi naman natin nakikitang sobrang sama. Oo, normal lang pagdating sa kaperahan. Pagdating sa kung ano man. So, yun lamang. Sinilip lang natin kung ano po yung meron pagdating sa kaperahan mo in general by the month of August. So, yun lamang. Again, thank you. Goodbye.